Hey guys, Connor Doobie here. I have another quick little golden nugget piece of information. It's the little things that matter, right? So I want to give you those little micro pieces of data information that you can go implement and create some success with tomorrow. That's what I'm here for. And I want to talk about something that's really important. I preach about it a lot. I talk about it with our clients, and I want to share it with you today. This tiny thing, this little thing that is hindering your success on LinkedIn. It's very small, but it makes a big difference. Again, some of the smallest things can make a huge difference when it comes to sales, when it comes to marketing, those little tweaks. And so to lay the foreground of this, to lay the premise, here's how I'm going to paint this picture. Imagine you're at a conference. So you're shaking hands with people, you're exchanging business cards, you're networking, right? So you're at a conference. When somebody asks you what it is that you do, you're not usually responding, I would hope not, with I'm a sales executive or I'm the director of business development at X corporation. More so your title, like who cares about your title, okay? And that's what I want to talk about, and there's more to this. So when you're doing that, ideally, when you're talking to somebody in person and you're trying to within seconds, relay the value of you, you're telling them how you can help them, what you do, like who you help, what the end result of it is in a short little snippet, or even a little bit of background about the value of you as a person, if that makes sense to you. And it will in just a second here. So it's the same when it comes digitally. It's like my worst word, digitally. Don't pick on me. Please don't pick on me in the comments. So when it comes to digital sales, marketing, business development, social selling on LinkedIn, for example, when people are coming to your LinkedIn profile and they're an ideal prospect for you or partner or some sort of collaboration that you're looking for, first off, you have seconds to capture their attention. Same as in person, you have literally seconds to capture their attention. And so your profile needs to be more clear as to what you do, how you can help them, and what the end result of that is. It's so simple, guys. Instead of telling people, I'm the president, I'm the CEO, I'm the director of business development, keep those three key things in mind, and there's a lot of real estate to relay this. So your banner image, your name section, you can look at my profile as an example, your summary. People tend to talk about themselves, why they're so great, or generally their role, and that's also because LinkedIn used to be a recruiting platform. Like in the very early days, LinkedIn was mostly focused on recruiting. So people kind of structure their LinkedIn profiles as if it's like a digital resume. Mind shift here, people. What you do, how you can help them, and what the end result of that is. You're going to find a major shift in all the activity you're doing. Whether you log into LinkedIn 10 minutes a day, you log into LinkedIn for 4 hours every day, you have a lot of activity or a little activity. It's the same with a website. So think of it this way. You could be bleeding high value sales through your website because your messaging is so convoluted, it's fluffy. It sounds great to you, but to that end person, does it really make sense? And does it actually bring them value? So tomorrow, go audit your LinkedIn profile. Go see where you're missing these key pieces. If you want to comment below in this video what you're thinking, some adjustments, I'll give you real feedback. And I'm sure a lot of other people who would see that comment or are watching this video would be more than happy to give you their feedback, as people like to do on LinkedIn, give feedback. So make sure you share this video. And comment below if you want to, kind of start that discussion and get some outside perspective of how to readjust and reapproach your LinkedIn profile. Hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you on the other side. I almost did couldn't figure out which eye to wink with there. See you guys.